To explore how scientists use existing tools to collaborate in VR and to identify their needs, we conducted a qualitative study where we observed 14 scientists studying corals meet in VR over a period of 4 weeks. In interviews, the scientists expressed that the currently available VR applications had several limitations, including a steep learning curve and limited whiteboard and note-taking functionality. To improve note-taking, we set out to design a tool that would allow the scientists to quickly capture their thoughts privately, yet still be able to share those thoughts with each other within the virtual environment. We thus introduced Embodied Notes, a cognitive support tool designed to enable users to take multimodal notes in VR using a predefined set of gestures. Here's a concept video of the system. A user creates a note by grabbing an empty thought bubble from their left pocket. The user takes a picture by pressing both triggers. Lifting the note up to their mouth starts an audio recording and mutes the user to everyone else. Symbiotic algae are what give lifting it back up color. Again stops the recording. The user shakes a note to play back the recording. Symbiotic algae are what give corals their color. The user can store their notes in a notebook, summoned by holding their hands open like a book, and close it by clapping. And finally, a user can delete a note by tossing it towards the ceiling. In another scenario, where a group of users are exploring shared artifacts in a virtual environment, each user can quickly capture notes of what they find interesting without needing to take off their headset or fumble with the virtual keyboard. When a user has a question, they can record the question in a note.
Coral connective tissue thinning, is it dying? Is it sloughing off? Is it being pulled in towards the center? That I find I don't understand what's going on there at all and would like to know more.
And share it with a specific person present in the VR environment by pointing at them to initiate a toss. If the intended recipient is not within pointing distance, the user can point in space where a menu will appear for selecting a recipient. If a user wishes to share a note with everyone in the room, throwing the note to the ground makes the note available to everyone in their note box. We showed this concept video to 10 scientists and received several suggestions for improving the system, including adding a whiteboard for writing equations, adding the ability to attach notes to objects throughout the environment, quicker access to recently created notes, and automatic transcription of the notes. As future work, we plan to refine the design of Embodied Notes, complete its implementation, and conduct a user study in a scientific collaboration meeting in VR.